And the Volcanoes will bring on a left-hander. McDonald goes an inning and 2/3, gives up 1 hit. He is responsible for Brown on first, 2 walks. Got the big left-hander, Luke Kelley, will come on. And he will face Mike Howard. First pitch misses, ball 1. Next pitch, a strike. It's a 1-1. Brown leads off first. Stretch, checking the runner. The pitch. On the outside corner, 1-2. Left-handers continue to throw in the Senators' bullpen. One and two, the count to Howard. The pitch skips away from Cotto. Runner was off with the pitch, and Brown will get a stolen base. Two balls, 2 strikes. The pitch over on the outside corner, strike 3. And Howard told to walk away. We go to the 7th inning. Senators leading 6-4. Senators will send to the plate Edgar Vela on Hedy Almanzar and Javon Logan. Vela, 2 for 3 with a run scored. And an RBI as well. First pitch, a strike. Next pitch. In there for a strike. 1-2, Luke Kelley with his first appearance for the Volcanoes. Bounces that one in the dirt. Count is 1-2. Oh, and 2, or 1-2, pardon me. Bounced towards the dugout on the third base side. Count is 1-2 to Edgar Vela. Also a big thank you to Salem Health Radiation Oncology for providing food and beverage vouchers to survivors. Swung on, lifted in the air down the right field line. Making a diving catch in foul territory is the first baseman, Nick Edgar. Oh, baby! Brings to the plate second baseman, Dustin Meyer. Fastball in there for a strike. 0-1. Next pitch on the way. Swung on a missed. And the count is 0-2. No balls, 2 strikes the count. Here's the pitch to Meyer. Fastball away, 1-2. This game has probably been easily, not probably, ooh, there's a call, strike 3. Meyer takes the fastball down Main Street. Two and two to Ulrich. Two on the way, lifted high in the air to center field. Epperson slides over towards left and puts that one away. Senators score no runs on no hits.